Hello everyone, this is Marcel again, and tonight's tonight's subject will be how to make a wet basement dry. To make it short and sweet, there are three factors that have to be taken into consideration, and there are three requirements. First of all, you have to have your drain tiles or perimeter drain. This is the second name for the drain tiles. Drain tiles have to be working perfectly, and they have to be installed at the proper depth. This is very important because quite often they are not even installed at the proper depth. The second part is that the walls on the outside of your basement have to be damp-proofed properly by any of the acceptable methods. There's a bunch of methods. Usually it involves tar, involves plastic sheets separating the outside of the wall from the wet ground. Bottom line is they have to be damp-proofed properly. And the third thing, which quite often is overlooked, and but it would be good if it was there. Usually it should be done while the house is being built. It's thick plastic sheet, usually polyethylene sheet, underneath your basement slab. Slab is the concrete floor of your basement on which your wooden floor, usually wooden floor, floats. So, first of all, drain tiles have to be working very well. The outside of the basement has to be damp-proofed properly, and if possible, there has to be a thick plastic sheet separating the wet ground from the bottom of your basement slab. If these three things are fulfilled, you will have a nice, dry, cozy basement. Thank you.